If you're like the majority of people who hate networking, Shhmooze may just have the answer to make the best of an awkward social situation. The husband and wife team want to change how you meet and engage with people at a conference and event. A combination of location-based app Foursquare and professional network LinkedIn, Shhmooze lets you check into a conference and then browse the profiles of other attendees to make a business connection. But there are other technologies that let you see and interact with fellow attendees.
People at the moment use a number of existing technologies like Twitter or LinkedIn or Foursquare to try to find out who is there at the event. If you look at Twitter, you're only really going to see the few people who just tweet obsessively. But the 35,000 people that don't tweet or just tweet once in a while are going to be lost among the sea of tweets. Twitter is fantastic to follow an event from a distance. If you cannot attend events, you can use Twitter to follow what's happening. With Shhmooze, we want to make it really easy to find the people who are at an event when you're there.
But what are the chances influential people like CEOs, VCs, and entrepreneurs will join Shhmooze? And moreover, are people willing to be bombarded with irrelevant messages from salespeople and recruiters trying to flog their services before they make the right connection?
There is a risk of spam, but if networking is such hard work, if it is such a nightmare, we got to weigh that up. Personally, I would rather not be trapped in a corner with, somebody that I'm not connected with at all, who's just talking to me endlessly about something that I'm not interested in. I would rather not have that experience, and I'd rather take my time to kind of go, that person just spammed or just commented to me or sent me a message. They're not useful to me. I'm going to move on. That's easier.
But most large conferences these days have their own apps where delegates create a profile and organize their schedules. For instance, Mobile World Congress, taking place next month, has its own social media portal called MyMWC.
It's a disposable app. I mean, that's the thing. This might serve a conference organizer who can say, I spent £10,000 building my app with my name on it. And, that's great for the conference organizer. But for me, I got to go in, I got to add my photo, I got to add my information, I got to figure out how to use the app, I got to try and... It's just a big cognitive load that I don't need. Plus, when I'm finished with that conference and then I turn up to the web, oh my God, here's another app that I got to upload my photograph, I got to put all my information in. That does not serve the users. It serves conference organizers to make a name on a shiny app. So what we're all about is that we're really useful and we add value to the delegate, and this is ongoing. It builds up with each event that you attend.
Shhmooze is free on iOS devices and will be available for BlackBerry, Android, and Windows Phone 7 devices very soon.